Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make all photos that you added on the CapCut PC have the same length. So in here, you can see I add two photos and these two photos have the same length, which is 3 seconds. If you are on the CapCut mobile, you can't do these settings, but it will be on default. But in the CapCut PC, you can always adjust on how much or the length of the photos that you added. And here's what you need to do to change the default setting. So first you need to go to the menu at the top and find settings. Click on that. And in here, go to the edit tab. Okay, so here you can see there's an image duration setting. So for now it's 3 seconds. That's why my photos before that I added is on 3 seconds. But if you want to change it, you can always do that. For example, I want to make it now 5 seconds. Just click on save. After that, I'm going to delete this first. Then I'm going to add it again. You can see now it's on 5 seconds the duration, and it's the same for all photos. Okay, so that's all from me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in the comment. And if you think this video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like this video, and also subscribe. Bye.